Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the brand new OnePlus 13, a flagship killer that's taking on Samsung and Apple head-to-head. The OnePlus 13 comes with a sleek new design, slimmer bezels, and a premium glass finish that feels as good as it looks. On the front, you're getting a stunning 6.8-inch 2K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness over 3,000 nits. This thing is built for gamers, movie lovers, and anyone who just wants the smoothest experience possible. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and lightning-fast UFS 4.0 storage. That means crazy fast performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos on the go. And Oxygen OS 15 keeps things clean, fast, and bloat-free, something US users really love. Now let's talk cameras. OnePlus partnered again with Hasselblad to bring flagship-level photography. You're getting a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Night shots, portraits, and videos are sharper and more natural than ever, a huge step up from last year. Battery life won't be a problem either. The OnePlus 13 packs a 5,500 mAh battery with 100-watt SUPERVOOC charging, giving you a full day of power in just 15 minutes. Plus, you also get wireless charging support, something US fans have been asking for. So, is the OnePlus 13 the ultimate flagship killer of 2025? It's got the performance, the cameras, and the charging tech to compete with the iPhone 17 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech updates.